chlorine atoms are attached at the ortho positions of each other, then common name of this compound is orthodichlorobenzene. And if two chlorine atoms are attached at meta position of each other, then the common name of this compound is metadichlorobenzene. And if two chlorine atoms are attached at the para position of each other, then the name of this compound is paradichlorobenzene. And in IUPAC system, the dihalogen derivatives of arenes, they are named as follows. To indicate the positions, the numerals like 1 2 or 1 3 or 1 4 they are used. In first example, the two chlorine atoms they are at ortho positions, means they are at adjacent position to each other. Then the numerals like 1 2 are given to them. Therefore, the name of this compound is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. In second example, the two chlorine atoms are at meta position of each other, means the numerals 1 and 3 they are used to write the IUPAC names of this compound, and name of this compound is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. In third example, the two chlorine atoms they are at para positions of each other, means the numerals 1 and 4 are used to indicate the numbers, their positions. Therefore, the name of this compound is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. In our textbook, some examples are given on the page number 211. Some examples, their common names and IUPAC names are given. But in addition to these compounds, we have to give the more examples or formulae and their common names and IUPAC names. The notes are provided to you for this lecture. The examples, 15 examples are given in this table. Now we have to see that examples one by one. First example is CH3Cl. Common name of this compound is methyl chloride. IUPAC name is chloromethane. Second example is CH3CH2Br. That is name of this compound is ethyl bromide. IUPAC name is bromoethane. Third example CH3CH2CH2Cl. N-propyl chloride. IUPAC name is 1-chloropropane. Fourth example is CH3CHCH3CH2I. Common name is isobutyl iodide. IUPAC name is 1-iodo-2-methyl propane. Fifth example is CH3 3 times CCH2Br. Common name is neopentyl bromide and IUPAC name is 1-bromo-2,2-dimethyl propane. Sixth example is CH3 3 times CCH2CH2I. Common name is neohexyl iodide and IUPAC name is 1-iodo-3,3-dimethyl butane. Seventh example is CH3CH CH3Cl. Its common name is iso or secondary propyl chloride. IUPAC name is 2-chloropropane. Eighth example is CH2 double bond CHCl. Common name is vinyl chloride because this group CH2 double bond CH, this group is called vinyl, and to this group Cl is attached. Therefore, common name is vinyl chloride and IUPAC name is chloroethene. Ninth example is CH2 double bond CH CH2Br. This group is called CH2 double bond CH CH2 is called allyl bromide, allyl group, and to this allyl group Br is attached. Therefore, common name is allyl bromide and IUPAC name is 3-bromo-prop-1-ene or it is also called propene. 10th example is CH triple bond CCl. Common name is chloroacetylene and IUPAC name is chloroethane. 11th example is CH2Cl2. It is called methylene dichloride. In our textbook, this example is first. In textbook, common name is given methylene chloride. It is wrong. It is called methylene dichloride and IUPAC name is dichloromethane. 12th example is to the benzene ring CH2I is attached. This group is C6H5 and to this group if CH2 attached, that group is called benzyl, and to this benzyl group iodine is attached. Therefore, it is called benzyl iodide and IUPAC name is iodophenyl methane. 13th example is para-iodotoluene. IUPAC name is 1-iodo-4-methyl-benzene, or it is also called 4-iodotoluene. 14th example is to the meta positions two chlorine atoms are attached. This example also given in IUPAC nomenclature of dihalogen derivatives of arenes. Its name is meta-dichlorobenzene, and IUPAC name is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. One more example is given, that is 15th example. These three chlorine atoms, they are attached to meta positions of each other, but there is the symmetry between these atoms. Therefore common name is called symmetrical, means SYM, symmetrical trichlorobenzene, and IUPAC name is 1,3,5 trichlorobenzene.